Hello guys, so we're gonna go downstairs kasi it's snowing outside and this is my first time to experience the snow here in Korea. I just woke up and it's snowing! Hello, parang akong bata. Nakakatawa. Hello! I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on our way going to Starfield Library and nandito kami ngayon sa subway. Hello guys, so nandito na tayo sa COEX Mall where the Starfield Library is located and nagagala-gala lang ako. By the way guys, kung paano ako pumunta dito is from Myeongdong kasi sa Myeongdong kami nagstay. Sumakay kami ng bus papuntang may kodigo ako dito. Wait lang, hanapin ko sa Naver Map. Ayan, so sumakay kami ng bus sa Sojonggo-Judong and then bumaba kami sa Noyon Station. So, ayun, nagbus muna kami going to Noyon Station. Bus 741 or 470 yung sasakyan nyo. And then, after that, mag-take kayo ng train sa Sinonyon Station, Line 9, Sinonyon Station, Line 9, and then baba kayo ng Bonggonsa Station. Bonggonsa Station, then exit number 7. And then, sobrang lapit na nito, like 1 minute walk na lang. 1 minute walk na lang going to Starfield COEX Mall. COEX or COEX Mall? I don't know how to pronounce that. But yon, sobrang lapit lang niya sa Bonggonsa Station. Yan ang nangyari sa akin. Like, I left my passport sa probinsya namin and ang layo pa nun. It takes 6 hours para makarating ng Manila. So, nag-rebook ako. I missed my flight, my original flight, and then I rebooked my ticket. Ayun, basta ang dami nangyari. So, that's why hindi na ako nakapag-vlog